Hello, Toyota Tundra owners. I wanted to talk to you about Protectix today, which is kind of an alarm system. It works pretty cool. I'm not gonna go over the installation. It's installed already, tested it, so I wanted to show a video, and some of you might consider to get it. What is good about it is not just an alarm system. It's good for the wheels, it's good for the catalytic converter, so you might consider it. Installation is easy. There's a couple of videos online. You just remove this bottom part, 3 screws, connect it. It's a simple connection, color to color, black to black, white to white, and the unit is right there. That's getting with an adhesive right on below the steering wheel. That being said, it's already, like I said, installed. If you don't want to go to installation and wait for another 9 minutes, that's what they require for the sensor to get all the information that you need. Just unlock it and show you how it works. You lock it, you hear the beep, right, that is locked. And I'm gonna start with the boards. If you touch it a little bit, it's going to beep 3 times. If you hit it really hard, it's gonna sound the alarm for 30 seconds. To see how sensitive it is, the windows. Looks like it works. Lock it again. Let's go on the door. That's actually the 3 beeps that with a nice, not really strong hit. The windows. And it rolls all around all the windows. Pretty nice feature, especially for you guys that are live in areas where the catalytic converters are stolen or you have nice wheels. I definitely recommend it. I didn't test it in the rain and thundering, but for the instructions, it's set up on a setting that it will not activate with the rain and thunders. So probably on a future video, we'll see if that works. And what I forgot to say about Protectix, it's adjustable. You can adjust the sensitivity with a small screw into the main unit, which is again that white one. It looks almost like an AirPods box charger. So I'll leave a link in the first comment. If you want to get it, I recommend it for now. So hopefully that helps some of you guys. Thank you.